Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Ay, dito ako ngayon. Gala lang kami. Relax muna. Relax muna. This is our room. Ang aming room. Toilet. Ganda ng toilet nila. Ganda rin ang toilet nila. Itong isara. Close muna natin. This one. And this is their towel ready. Oh, bathtub din. Bathtub pag may time. Kanilang mga toiletries available. Nice. This is complimentary. Oh, ang dami tubig. Okay, nagtatanong pa siya kung if you need water, just call 0. Dial 0. Malinis siya guys. Ayan. Malinis ang kanyang toilet. This is their shower room. Okay. Doon ang closet. Meron pang sana all may pera. Ay, alalaman. Sana may laman din, no? Okay. Let's close now. Dami namang mirror. Baga. This is their view. Okay, nice one. Share lang, wala lang. Ang ganda ng aming things. Ayun. Meron din mga ayan, may water din available. Ayan. They have there also complimentary sweets. Wow, camel pa siya. Sana all may camel. Ito ay for refreshment. Pero, ayan, may refreshment. Pero, may bayad of course. If you can, if you want, you can get. But you need to pay. Ayun lang. May pierce pa. And, another mirror. Yan ang tipo. Meron pa silang and if you want to go outside, they have veranda also. They have also television there. This is the view outside, guys. Nice place, nice view. This is Qatar. Ganda naman. Place. And if you want to go down, you want to swim, there's open beach. And there's also pool. Round pool. Yun. Ganda siya. Meron din doon boat. May ship doon. Yun. May cruise ship. Tanaw ba? Ayun, yung cruise ship. Yan, ang cruise ship. Nag-cruise siya all over. I think Middle East only. Yan. But as of this time, stay muna sila dito because of the war. Yun. Zoom out muna natin siya, guys. Enjoy muna natin yung place outside. Share ko lang sa inyo. This is Qatar. Safe naman siya as of this time. But it's okay. Safe. Very safe. Yun lang. Nice place. Nice cloud also. Nice weather. End of Eid. End of Eid. End of Ramadan. Eid. I have also here. You can sit, if you want, you can sit here. Pwede ka mag-yan. Yun lang. Yun lang. Yun lang, Qatar. Outside. View outside. Pasok na tayo. Yun lang. That's all I want to share ko lang sa inyo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.